Good morning, Nana. Voice is clear, Nana. Is it audible? Give the response, Nana, once. Give the response. Anish? Sritan? Is it audible, Nana? Give the response, Nana, first. Vaishnavi, Mukunda? Is it audible? What about the remaining, Nana? Only 7 members are there. Please inform to your friends. Okay, yesterday we learned some topics about on the combinations. Okay, remaining topic up to formulas are we learn. So combinations. So what are the basic formulas? Yesterday we learned NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So which is the first formula, that is n different things. What is meaning that combinations? Combination is a selection of things. Okay, selection of things, and then a selection is that taking n different things from out of n or objectives taken r at a time or all sum of a finite set of things is called combination. So it is denoted by NCR. NCR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, so then it is formula is denoted by like this also, HC of n comma or nothing but another form, and next one another form is like that, n comma or nothing but out of n things taken r at a time, it is denoted by nr. C means combination of n of n comma or nothing but out of n things taken r at a time, it is denotion like this denotion. So which is equal to the formula, the number of combinations of formula, Nana, the number of combinations of n dissimilar things, different, dissimilar means different things taken or at a time, okay. So this is equal to taken r at a time, it is denoted by NCR, and the relation between NCR and NPR is nothing but the first select the out of n things, we are selecting r things, and it can be arranged in r factorial, which is gives us to NPR. Then the relation is NCR by NPR equal to r factorial. Okay, the relation between NCR and NPR is NCR by NPR equal to r factorial. The relation between combination and this permutation is r factorial. First arrange the r thing out of n things, selecting r things into r factorial gives us to arrangement. So NPR is nothing but another form is NCR equal to NPR by r factorial, that is meaning that the product of n things decreasing from n and divided by the product of first n natural numbers. the first product of the first n natural numbers decreasing from n divided by r factorial. In the terms of NP are nothing but only the product of the first n natural numbers till going on n minus r minus 1, okay. But in the form of NPR by r factorial means the product of the first n natural numbers also we can write, okay, the basic formula. And then go to the next one. So that is the, we can write as example we learn, that is suppose 8C2 is there, then you can write 8 into 7 by denominator also you can write. So that is 7 4 the 28 you can. And the another formula is NCR equal to, you can give the value NC n minus r, both are the values are same, okay. And next formula is NCR plus, yesterday we learn NCR minus 1 gives rise to n plus 1 CR, n plus 1 CR you got. And next formula is NCR minus 2 plus 2 into NCR minus 1 plus NCR equal to n plus 2 CR, okay. This is the most important thing. And then next another formula we learn NCR equal to NCS, then that is equal to R equal to S, or N equal to R plus S, okay. Based on these formulas we have learned some formulas on this. And next we are go to the exercise next problems. That is the next problems. Up to how many problems we have completed? 9th bit I think, okay. 9th bit problems are over. Next 9th bit second question is there. So that is the formula. So 34C5 exercise 5.5 combinations. 9th bit second question, 34C5 plus sigma r equal to 0 to 4, 38 minus r C4 is equal to 39 C5. So this is the question. Please inform to your friends, Nana, don't miss the class. To objective questions also we will learn today. So first simplify sigma terms means sum of the terms starting from r equal to 0 to 4. So write as it is first term, then put r equal to 0 in this, 38 minus 0. 38 minus 0 means 38 C4, and put r equal to 1. So r equal to 0 to 4 means r equal to 0 you take, r equal to 1 and r equal to 2, r equal to 3, r equal to 4. Okay, next the sum is 37 C4. Next value is 36 C4. Next r equal to 0 you can get r equal to 0 38 C4, r equal to 1 37 C4, r equal to 2 36 C4, r equal to 3 35 C4, and next r equal to 4 34 C4. Okay, so I am rearranging the terms 34 C5 plus I am going to start the last term. The last term I am going to write here. Orderly I am writing 34 C4 I am writing, and then 35 C4 I am writing here. Next increasing 36 C4. Next increasing 37 C4. Next increasing 38 C4. Now regrouping the arrangement of things. First one, second one. Now it is in the formula NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. If n terms are equal and the denominator suffix r and r minus 1 greater number you can write. So since this formula can be applied to first pair of values, then you get as n is 34, here 5 and 4 decreasing, 5 and 4. So one can be added. One can be added means 35 C5 plus remaining term 35 C4 as it is, 36 C4 as it is, and then 37 C4 as it is, 38 C4 as it is. Now goes to again make a pair 35 C5 plus 35 C4, then it is also 36. It is in the form NCR plus NCR minus 1 before this formula. So now we can write n plus 1, that is means 35 plus 1, that is 36 C5 plus 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Okay, again make a pair 36C5, 36C4, again make a pair, then you get the value as this. So 37C4, 37C5 plus 37C4 and then 38C4. Next make a pair, again make a pair for this 37C5 plus 37C4, make a pair, that is equal to 38C5 plus 38C4. Then it is goes to 39C5. That's all. This is the answer, which is equal to 39C5. So this is the question. So this is the equation, very important for in the examination session. Just the value is in the form of, you can arrange them into NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Okay, that is why you can write this formula. Okay, first you copy this question, Nana, most important value. Based on this, some objective question is there. Some objective question, most important objective bit. The question is like this. The inequality, this is already mains question. The inequality n plus 1 C6 plus NC4 is greater than n plus 2 C5 minus NC5 holds true for all n is greater than equal to dash. The question is given like this. N plus 1 C6 plus NC4 is greater than n plus 2 C5 minus NC5 holds true for all n greater than. So this formula is given. Just now we have learned this formula. Please inform to your friends, Nana. Don't waste the time. We are discussing about the objective questions. Please inform to your friends. Stay on the line. Where is all those? Only 9 members are there. What about the remaining? N plus 1 C6 plus NC4 is greater than n plus 2 C5 minus NC5. So that is the question is given. So from this we have to prove n is greater than equal to dash is given. Okay. Then n plus 1 C6 minus come this side plus NC4 plus NC5 is greater than n plus 2 C5. So just rearranging the NC5. Now it is in the form of, this value is in the form of, just now we have learned the formula. That is, the formula is n plus 1 NCR plus NCR minus 1 is as to n plus 1 CR. Since this formula can be applied, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. So that is n plus 1 C6. Next the values goes to n plus 1, n add by one term, 5 and 4 is there, then you write which one, 5 or 4. So then it is write as n plus 1 C5 is greater than n plus 2 C5. So again in the form of this question, again it is in the form of formula, these also in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1, then n plus 1 CR. Please inform to your friends, Nana, we are doing the objective questions, all mains questions this is. Please inform to your friends, join this class. Again this is in the form of n plus 1 C6 plus n plus 1 C5 is greater than n plus 2 C5. Then it is by adding one term, then you get n plus 2 which is greater, 6 or 5, they can write 6 only. N plus 2 C6 greater than 2, n plus 2 C5. Then again if it is in the form of formula, that is NCR formula, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Then we can write n plus 2 factorial divided by n plus 2 minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial, which is greater than n plus 2 factorial divided by n plus 2 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial. So n plus 2 factorial cancelling, then you get here 1 by n minus 4 factorial into 6 factorial means we can write 6 into 5 factorial. Then 1 by n minus 3 factorial, then you get into 5 factorial. 5 factorial cancel. Then the remaining terms we can write as 1 by 6 is greater than 1 by n minus 3. Then it is goes to n minus 3 is greater than 6. So n is greater than or equal to 9. So that is the answer. The question is given that n is greater than, for all values of n is greater than the question is given. So first make the formula as this NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR formula applied, and again the formula NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial to r factorial. Nana, understood or give the response na? This well, first we have to check this question. This is only for mains question. N plus 1 C6 n plus NC4 n plus 2 C5 minus NC5. So minus term come this side plus NC4 plus NC5. Now it is in the form of this formula. This is the formula application. Again this formula can be executed. Now this NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So okay, this is the question. Next go to the next one. Objective concept I will explain. Write the formula Nana first. The number of ways of distributing n identical things among p persons without any restriction that means none or one or two or all or any number of things can be given to one person is n plus p minus 1 c p minus 1. This is the most important formula, n plus p minus 1 c p minus 1. So that is distribution of alike things. This the formula is nothing but we are saying the number of ways of dividing or distributing here n identical items among r persons or among p person or p or anything. Each of them can receive 0 or 1 or 2 or any number of times can be given to one person is distribution of things Nana of alike things, that is denoted by n plus r minus 1 cp minus, or else here you take r person n plus r minus 1 cr minus 1. Okay, are dividing n identical items into the r persons such that each person gets at least one item is n minus 1 cr. This formula, another form is this formula, second formula, this is dividing n identical things into r persons such that each person get at least one item is n minus 1 cr minus 1. This is the n items, identical items into r person such that each person gets at least one item. So in the place of before problem, so this term should be 0. That is why we can get the formula as n minus 1 by Cp minus 1. That is nothing but n minus 1 by Cr minus 1. This is the formula. So based on these questions, everywhere the problem in the examination they will give. The first question is like this: the number of ways in which 21 rupee coins can be distributed among 5 people such that each person gets at least 3 rupees is dash. The number of ways in which 21 rupee coins can be distributed among 5 people such that each person gets at least 3 rupees is. Option A 126, option B 63, option C 125, option D that is none. Okay, so the question is the number of ways in which 21 rupee coins can be distributed among 5 people such that each person gets at least 3 rupees is dash. So how many persons we have? 5 persons. Let it be P1, P2, P3 and then P4 and then P5. So at least each person gets 3 rupees means first P1 is 3, P2 is 3, P3 is 3, P4 is 3, P5 is 3. So total how many coins? 3 5s are 15 rupees over. Then the 20 rupees are there. So remaining in how many coins are there? Remaining coins are 5 coins. Totally 3 into 5, 15 over. Then totally we have 21 rupee coins. So 20 minus 15, that is remaining coins are 5. So remaining coins are 5 means this can be distributed among these 5 persons, that is P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 plus P5 equal to remaining 5 rupees can be distributed. So that is the formula is what? N plus P minus 1 C P minus 1. In this way number of persons are 5, distributed 5 rupees and minus 1 C 5 minus 1, which is equal to how much? 9C4. 9C4 can be written as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 2 ja 8, 3 3 ja 9, then 42 into that is 126. So answer is 126, therefore is first option. So the number of distributions of 21 rupee coins must be distributed among 5 people such that each person gets at least 3 rupees is how much? So persons are 5 members. So P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons, that is 15. Totally we have 20 rupees. 20 minus 15, that is 5 rupees. Remaining coins are 5 coins. This can be distributed among at least 3 rupees is to each, and remaining can be persons distributed about the 5 person. Therefore we have P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 plus equal to 5. That is the formula just now we have learned, that is number of ways in the distribution of n identical things to among p persons without any restriction is n plus p minus 1 Cp minus 1. That is persons are 5 and the remaining coins also 5. So 5 plus 5 minus 1 C 5 minus 1, which is 9C4, again 126. Okay, same thing as to second question. So many questions are there, Nana. Just we will practice today. Okay. Second question. Similar concept questions are there. One question will there in the examination. Find the number of ways. Find the number of ways in which 16 identical things can be distributed among 4 persons if each person gets at least 3 things. Same similar type of model question. So Shivadanesh, are you getting? Akhilesh, Mukunda, Sritan, Vaishnavi, Dikshita. Ashwit, okay. Ashwit also is there. Okay, fine. So these are mains questions only. Ashwit, practice yourself. Next, what is the question? 4 persons are given. So 16 identical things can be distributed, but if each person get at least 3 things, so that is how many numbers are distributed? 4 into 3. So total things are distributed. If each person gets 3 means 4 persons are there, distributed things are 12 things are distributed, then the remaining things are how many? Out of 16, 12 things are, remaining things are equal to 4 things are remaining. 16 minus 12, 4. Therefore, P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus 4, P4 among persons are 4 persons are there. So it is going to equal to 4. Now the formula is n plus p minus 1 c p minus 1. That is equal to, n equal to we can get as 4 persons. 4 plus 4 among minus 1 c 4 minus 1. That is equal to 7 c3. 7 3 is nothing but 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 5. That is equal to 35. That's all. This is the question. These are all mains questions only. This concept question they will give one question. You have a textbook also, so many questions are there, but the concept is this process is called Nana. That is the process we can select as this method is said to be beggar's method. For our convenient, the name to be beggar's method. If every beggar can give at least 1 or 2 or more any number of things to be. So this method is called beggar's method. Okay, the formula is this. So n plus p minus 1 cp minus 1. This formulas goes to beggar's method formulas. One question in the mains questions, very important. The formula is number of ways of distributing n identical things among p persons without any restriction. They may be give none, 1, 2 or all, any number of time can be given to one person. That is the formula n plus p minus 1 cp minus 1. This is the beggar's method form. Okay. So next one, similar questions, so many are there. So find next third question. Find the number of distinct throws. Find the number of distinct throws which can be thrown with an six-faced die which are indistinguishable among themselves. These are all mains level question. This is mains 2019 question. Find the number of distinct throws which can be thrown with n six-faced dice which are indistinguishable among themselves. The meaning is what? English class అయిపోతుంది ఇక్కడ. Distinct meaning is identical. Indistinguishable among themselves. So total number of persons here in 6 phases it is given. So therefore the number of values of this, let it be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6 equal to how many? N becomes to n 6-faced dice. Therefore the value is becomes to, total value is n plus total number of persons are 6 minus 1 C6 minus 1, which is equal to n plus 5 C5. That's all. Options are given: n plus 2 C5 and n plus 3 C5. Option 3 n plus 4 C5 and then n plus 5 C5. The question is like this. But the answer is very easy. Let it be n 6-faced dice means how many 6-faced die means? Let it be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6. So that is equal to n. Therefore by Beggar's method the formula is n plus 6 minus 1 c minus 1, that is you can get n plus 5 c5. Option number D. Okay, then go to the next question. Question number 4. If A, all are mains question, Nana. Akhilesh, give the response. Ashwit, Sritan, Vaishnavi, Shivadanesh. If A, B, C, D are odd natural numbers such that A plus B plus C plus D equal to 20, then Hashwit, please inform to the Chandrahas. Then find the number of values of the ordered pair then find the values of the ordered pair of ordered quadruplet. Is dash. Options are 10C3, 11C3, 12C3, 13C3. So try yourself, Nana. What is the question is given? A, B, C, D are odd natural numbers such that A plus B plus C plus D equal to 20. Then find the number of values of the ordered quadruplet. So the answer is what? Sritan, Vaishnavi, Mukunda. What is meaning that quadruplet, Nana? Harshvit, are you know? Quadruplet. So quadruplet meaning is, all are English lessons only today. Meaning is, if it is quadrant pair, that is A, B, C, D. So ordered pair is nothing but only A, B. And triplet means A, B, C. But quadruplet means, the meaning is are in the letters on the form of A, B, C, D. This is called 13C3R. No, 13C3 Hashwit. So ABCD are odd natural numbers, it is given. Odd natural numbers such that a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c plus d equal to 20, then find the number of values of the ordered quadruplet. So let I am taking as, let it be odd natural numbers, odd natural numbers. So let it be I am taking in the form of odd numbers always 2m plus 1, and b let it be I am taking n plus 1, and c I am taking 2p plus 1, and then d I am taking 2q plus 1. Okay. Now the value is goes to, the question is given that a plus b plus c plus d equal to 20 is given. Okay. Then write in the form 2m plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 plus 2p plus 1 plus 2q plus 1 equal to 20. From this we can get 2 is common, that is m plus n plus p plus q equal to how many 1? 1, 1, 1, 1. 20 minus 4, that is equal to 16. Now cancelling this value, then m plus a is Akhilesh answer. M plus n plus p plus q equal to 8. Super. So it is like that, distributed to 8 identical things among people. Therefore this is the value becomes to what? It is look like that, distribution of 8 identical things among 4 people. So therefore the formula is 8 plus 4, yes, super, into C4 minus 1, that is equal to 11 C3. Option goes to second option. So these are all mains question and advanced questions only. Okay. Akhilesh, n plus r minus 1, cr minus 1, that is the formula only, Akhilesh. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Find the number of find the number of ways of distributing 10 apples, 5 mangoes, 4 oranges among 4 persons, if each can receive any number of fruits and same type of fruits are identical. These are all objective questions from previous year questions, Nana. So what is the answer? Hashwit, Akhilesh, Ritan, Vaishnavi. Mukunda, Dikshita. Find the number of ways of distributing 10 apples, 5 mangoes, 4 oranges among 4 persons if each can receive any number of fruits and same type of fruits are identical. 12C2. What the answer, Akhilesh? 12C2. No, 12C2, 7C2 and 7C2. So persons are how many? 4 persons. No 22C3, Nana. Persons are here 4. That is P equal to 4. Okay. What is the how many are the different 10 apples are there and 5 mangoes are there and then 4 oranges are there. So for this question 10 plus 4 minus 1 C 4 minus 1. For this mangoes 5 plus 4 minus 1 C 4 minus 1. What 4 oranges? What this value? 4 plus 4 minus 1 C 4 minus 1. Sritan, how much? 13C3 into 9 means 8C3 into 7C3. Yes. 15, no 15. 10 plus 4. 10 apples are there total. Total 10 apples. Persons are P minus 1 C4 minus 1. 13C3 and 8C3 and 7C3. Okay. This is the question. Okay. Ashwit, Sritan, Vaishnavi, Dikshita, Mukunda. Okay, next question. Shall I move? Question number 4. 6. Find the number of ways. Find the number of ways in which 16 identical toys are distributed among 3 students such that each receives not less than 3 toys. Give the answer, Nana. Options are given: 8C2, 9C2, 10C2, 11C2. Apply Beggar's method, Beggar's rule. That is the shortcut. Answer how much? Yes, Akhilesh. Ashwit, correct, good. What about the remaining 9 out of 7 persons? Yes, correct. 9C2 only correct answer. Okay, students means S1 plus S2 plus S3 students are there. 3 students are there. Make it to equal to how many identical things are there? 16 identical things can be distributed among the 3 persons. Now distribution is 3 into 3, that is 9. Therefore 16 minus 9 becomes to 7 objectical remaining things. Therefore remaining things equal to 7. 7, no. So that is, persons are how many? 3%. Therefore, by Beggar's formula, n plus p minus 1 cp minus 1, that is 7 plus 3 minus 1 c3 minus 1, which is equal to 9c2. So option is there. Okay. Second option. Akhilesh, okay. Ashwit, okay. Sritan, Vaishnavi, next goes to 7th question. In a bakery, 4 type of biscuits are available. How many ways Nitin can buy 10 biscuits if he decided to take at least one from each variety? Options are 4c3, 5c3, 7c3, 9c3. Four type of biscuits are available. How many ways can Nitin? Yes. How many ways? Yes, 9c3. How many ways can Nitin if he decides to take at least one person from each variety? Super. So biscuits means B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4 gives us to total number of ways are 10. So each biscuit can carry, that is 1, 1, 1, 1 from this. Therefore, how many we have? 10 minus 4 becomes to 6. So therefore, remaining things equal to 6. By Beggar's formula, 6 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1, that is equal to 9C3, that is 84. That's all. 9C3 means last option. Yes, Vaishnavi, super. Question number 8. The number of ways of distributing 10 identical balls. Santosh, not 7C3 Nana, it is 9C3. In 4 distinct boxes such that No box is empty. Is dash. No problem, Nana. Answer is given na, check yourself. B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4 equal to 10. So remaining distributed as at least one biscuit variety, that is 10. 1, 1, 1 we can take. 10 minus 4 nothing but 6. Remaining 6 nothing but persons are 6 persons are there. So number of things n equal to 6. Persons are 4 types. So by Beggar's formula 6 plus 4 minus 1. C4 minus 1, that is 9C3 only. Okay. Then next one. Number of ways of distributing 10 identical balls in 4 distinct boxes such that no box is empty is dash. What is the answer? Distributing 10 identical balls. Yes, same 9C3. No box is empty means take the 0 is excluded. So the formula is going to n minus 1 C R minus 1. So that is, yes, 10 minus 1 C 4 minus 1, that is goes to 9 C3. That's all. Next similar question, another same thing question is there. Okay, question number 9. The number of ways of distributing 8 identical balls in 3 distinct boxes so that none of the boxes is empty. These are all previous year questions, Nana, all are. How much the answer? Yes, 7C2, super Ashwit. So none of the box is empty means put R equal to 0 from the Beggar's method. Then n minus 1 C R minus 1, that is 8 minus 1 C 3 minus 1, that is goes to 7 C2. That's all. Okay. Next question, most important, question number 10. If the total find the total. Find the total number of non-negative integral solutions of the equation x plus y plus z number of ways of distributing 8 identical balls in 3 distinct boxes so that none of them box is empty. So in the place of p value there is no number of persons are there, no boxes, nothing but put r equal to 0. Empty means p value equal to 0. N plus p minus 1 c p minus 1. In this value we can keep as to 0, box is empty. So it means 0 is not included, then the values goes to n minus 1 c p minus 1. So that is here r place or p place you can write n minus 1 c p minus 1, that is 8 minus 1 c 3 minus 1, that is 7 c2. Okay. Question number 8, 10. Find the non-negative integral solutions of the equation x plus y plus z equal to 10 is dash. Options are 10C2, 12C2, 11C2, 9C2. Yes, correct. Non-negative means 0 is not included, then you get the answer. If it is Nana, the answer is 9C2 only, okay. Okay, fine, 12C2 only, okay, right. So that is n minus p plus n minus p n minus n plus p minus 1 Cp minus 1, that is 10% among 3, how many, 1, 2, 3. So 3 separators are there. So 3 minus 1 C3 minus 1, that is goes to 12C2. But the question is like that, this is A bit and this is B bit. If you getting positive solutions, they will give, if they given as positive, same thing. In the place of non-negative, the question is, it is given that positive it is given. Positive with the value is given, that means it should not be number of persons are x and y and z, so 3 persons are there, total value is becomes to n equal to 10, r equal to 3, 10 plus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 12C2, okay. Next, positive, same question in the place of non-negative, suppose the question is positive is given, then the answer is goes to, in the place of non-negative, then the answer is goes to 0 is positive means 0 is not included, then the formula is goes to n minus 1 C p minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 C 3 minus 1, that is goes to 9C2. Observe the question, in the place of non-negative, the value can be 0 is not included, then n minus p, n plus p minus 1 goes to, so that is 10 minus 1 C3 minus 1, okay. 7 plus 3, 10 minus 1, okay. So 10 minus 10 plus 3, 10 minus 3 minus 1, that's all. 7 plus 3 minus 1, persons are 7, okay, 9C2 it will becomes positive means, okay. Next, similar type, number of positive means formula is n minus 1 Cp minus 1, non-negative means n plus r Cp minus 1 formula, okay. Question number 11. Akhilesh, over. Ashwit, are you getting? Ashwit? This is the most previous question, just 1 year back question. If the total number of positive integral solutions of 15 lesser to x1 plus x2 plus x3 lesser than or equal to 20 is k, then the value of k by 100 is equal to dash. This type of questions, BITSAT and advanced level questions, concept is same. Where is Amit? He is not listening the class, going elsewhere. Okay, if you don't want, don't disturb him. These are all basic objective competitive exam questions. If you want, you can listen, otherwise leave it. If the total number of positive integral solutions, that is 15, x is 20 is k, then the value of k by 100 equal to dash. So how many are there here given? Number of persons like this, 1, 2, 3 persons are given. So that is x1 plus x2 plus x3. Okay, no problem. x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to lies in the interval 15 to 20. That means Ashwit, Akhilesh are present. 16 or 17 or 18 or 19 or 20 also will come na. These are less than or equal to 20, that is 16 or 17 or 18 or 19 or 20. Therefore x1 plus x2 plus x3 I am taking as some value 16 plus p, where p equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here in the form of x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to n form. So here n equal to how much? 16 plus p, and p r equal to how much? 3 persons. Therefore the formula is n minus 1 c r minus 1 becomes to 16 plus positive integral solutions, means this is the formula 16 plus p minus 1 c r equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 15 plus p c2. Okay, 15 plus p c2. From this, where we can write as p equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now substituting all the values, that is 15 c2 plus 16 c2 plus 17 c2 plus 18 c2 plus 19 c2. So by calculating 15 c2, nothing but what we have to write, 15 into 14 by 2 plus 16 c2, nothing but 16 into 15 by 2. From this 15 is common. From this 15 common, by 2 by 15 common means take the 15 commons, 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, 7 plus 8. So that is goes to 15 into 15, that is goes to 15 square. In similarly for the value of this value, in the similarly this process can be going on, then get also same thing as 16 square. Yes, 685 plus 19 c2, nothing but 19 into 20, 19 into 18 by 2. So 15 square is 225, 16 square is 256, and 9 ja 99 ja 171, total value 611, 7 plus 2. So much 685. So the total value is to 685. The option is also is given. Yes, 16 square 19. Okay, 225, 256. Okay. This is the question number, mains question model same. And then 0 is not included means take the value as the next question. Question number how much? 11, 12. Last question. In how many 3 rings can be worn on 4 fingers if any number of rings can be worn on any finger? First question is given, rings are distinct. Second question is given, rings are identical. Rings are identical, rings are distinct. So first part, rings are different means first rang R1 and R2 and R3. Ring 1, ring 2, ring 3. How many can be owned on each ring? That is 4 ways. Second one is 4 ways. Third one is 4 ways. There the value goes to 4 cube ways. For the first question, rings are distinct, rings are given if it is. Suppose rings are identical. So this is the question. Rings are identical means rings n equal to rings, that is n equal to 3 and persons are equal to p equal to 4. Distributed by fingers and persons are also different, so they can use the Beggar's formula. So that is the formula is n plus p minus 1 cp minus 1. That is for 3 plus 4 minus 1 c 4 minus 1. Then you get here 6 c3. The options are given in the form of 20. So 4, not 4p3 nana, 6 c3. Rings are identical means it can be distributed like this. Rings are n equal to 3, distributed persons are 4, but by using the Beggar's formula n plus p r minus 1 cp minus cp minus 1. So this is 7 minus 1, 6 c3, 6 c3, that is equal to 20. Okay. The formula, if you have to remember, that is number of ways to distributing n distinct objects among m persons is m to the power of n. when there is no conditions to apply. Okay, this is the formula. If the conditions are not given, then go to the among n persons, to the persons as distinct objects can among m person is m to the power of n. So from these two questions are there, then I will stop. The number of ways 6 rings can be on 4 fingers of one hand is dash. Question number 1 is four power 6. Okay, right. So 6 fingers, 6 rings means ring 1, ring 2, ring 3, ring 4, ring 4, ring 5 and then R6. Each can ring in 4 ways. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 and then 4. Totally 4 power 6 answer. In the last question, Nana, in how many ways how many can you post 5 letters into 3 letter box is dash. Three power 5, yes, 3 power 6. Three power 5. So okay, 3 power 5 is the answer. 5 letter box, 3 letter box, 5 letters. Each letter box having 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So that is 3 power 5. 3 power 5 ma'am. Okay. That is the question. The formula to be like as hand pump formula, that is you can get as to remember saying this is as from hand pump formula. That is to write as fixed down and variable is upwards, fixed value. So down value is always fixed value and variable is the value can be number of ways. So that is hand pump formula. So remember as hand pump formula for this type of questions. So fixed value is as the down position as fixed value, variable is you have to write. So no conditions are applied. So this is the question. Today we all learned the formulas as Beggar's formula and hand pump formula. So okay, so this is the hand pump formula. For our convenience, so M is fixed, N is variable. Then the value goes to m to the power of n. Okay Nana, right? Thank you.